Sources close to President Donald Trump tell CBS News he is preparing to issue a final round of pardons before he leaves office, something one North Texas woman arrested in the wake of the Capitol riot would welcome.
I would like a pardon from the President of the United States. I think that we all deserve a pardon. I'm facing prison sentence. I think that I do not deserve that, and I think every person, you know, from what I understand, everyone's going to be arrested that was there. So I think everyone deserves a pardon, and I would ask the President of the United States to give me a pardon.
Radio talk show host and realtor Jenna Ryan speaking to CBS 11's Nicole Nielsen on Friday. She was arrested on charges of disorderly conduct and knowingly entering a restricted area. Now, we asked SMU Law professor Eric Cedillo if President Trump can pardon all rioters preemptively before leaving office.
Theoretically, the president could do that. He could provide a blanket pardon.
There's a legal precedence of that with the pardon of President Nixon.
He had never been charged with a crime. I'm sure there was something of an investigation, but once he resigned and was pardoned, he was given the opportunity to everything pretty much stopped.
The president has the right to pardon any individual even before they're charged with a crime. President Trump could issue a blanket pardon for anyone on the Capitol on January 6th.
So preemptively, the actual commission of the crime has to have already taken place, but it doesn't necessarily require that person be investigated nor convicted. So it is a situation wherein it is possible.
But the rioters could be charged with new crimes if prosecutors find new evidence, he says.
If a blanket pardon were to be given and there was actually some sort of information that perhaps the individual actually helped in an assault that created incredible bodily injury, if that is not incorporated, it's a very real possibility that they could still be charged and convicted of that crime because it fell outside the pardon that the president had given.
But Cedillo says the president and his lawyers will take into consideration the impending Senate impeachment trial. A blanket pardon, he says, could sway some senators to vote for impeachment.
So to pardon those folks for the things that they did, I think could be problematic for him in the long run.
Well, Professor Cedillo says a blanket pardon could have an impact on not just the Senate impeachment trial, but also future legal cases against Mr. Trump when he is no longer the president.